Hi there, students. This one's for RR. Okay, lounge. To lounge as a verb. A lounge as a noun. So, to lounge as a verb, to act in a lazy way, to move in a lazy way, to be really relaxed. So, I spent all day lounging on the sofa. I was lounging around in a pair of shorts. So I wasn't doing anything. I was just being lazy. Yeah? Or I lounged on the beach for several hours and unfortunately got rather sunburnt. So to lounge, to spend time idly, not doing very much, just relaxing. Yeah, to spend time in a relaxed way. I lounged around all day. And then as a noun. So firstly, for me as a Brit, the lounge is another word for the sitting room. It's another room for the living room where people live. So I had a party and I held it in the lounge. You could have a lounge talking about a public waiting room. So the lounge of a hotel is the entry area where people wait. Or a lounge in an airport. This is very common. It's a place that has lavatories and is a place where people can wait for what they want they're going to do. So in the airport lounge, people wait for their flight. They lounge. They act in a relaxed way, waiting for their flight. In a hotel lounge, maybe you wait for your friend to arrive. Okay, a cocktail lounge would be a bar, a cocktail bar. And then notice in the UK, most pubs have a public bar and a lounge bar. Now, the lounge bar is normally the smarter of the two bars. It's more comfortable. It's got better furniture. It's more of a family room. So he sat in a corner of the lounge bar and drank his beer and read a book. Okay, so the lounge. You could have, the Americans have a word, you could use it, a lounge lizard. Okay, a lounge lizard is a person who spends all of their time in places where rich and fashionable people go. So he was a lounge lizard in New York. He spent his time idly, doing very little, particularly in cocktail bars or places like places like that. So to lounge, to loll, to laze, to loaf, to idle, and then a lounge, a comfortable room. Yeah, so we had coffee in the lounge. Smoking is not permitted in the public lounge. There was a cocktail lounge at the hotel. He spends all day lounging about the house. Okay, so the lounge was a very comfortable place. The passengers were transferred to the transit lounge. Yeah, we were served coffee in the lounge. Okay, so this word lounge is all sorts of things. To relax, to take it easy, to go around in a relaxed way, and then a place like a bar that serves alcohol. It has music, maybe it's got a television as well, a waiting room, an office in an airport, the living room or the sitting room in a house, yeah, and a place where you can relax. Okay, so lounge. Formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And as to the origin, there's suggestions that it comes from French, from the phrase s'allonger, to lie down. Okay, so s'allonger is reflexive, but it begins with an A, allonger, to lie down, to lounge effectively. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To lounge around, to lounge about, a cocktail lounge, an airport lounge, a lounge bar, a lounge lizard.